how to buy Ripple or called XRP585 token. Now, so before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, do your own research. So this is their X account. Now make sure to log in it. Now after that, the coin is available on CoinX website. So if you have the account in it, log in to your account. If you don't have, just sign up. Now after that, make sure you have here the selected Ripple to USDT. Now from here, it's easy. Just enter how much you want to buy from this coin. Now this is how much you will pay, and now click on buy. So this is it. So this is how to buy the Ripple or XRP 585. So what is the XRP 585 token? So XRP 585 token brings the iconic of 589 meme from XRP folklore to life as a vibrant community-driven meme coin project rooted in creativity and passion. It aims to unite enthusiasm while expanding the cultural legacy of the XRP ecosystem. So this is how to buy Ripple XRP 589 token. Thanks for watching.